So in the last video I showed you how I requested for packaging on this delivery. So you can see now the delivery is actually completed now because it's actually packaged. So if I check my mail, you can see when it's packaged I also get an email. So basically, even when you're not on the platform, you get email when your delivery, anything that happens on your delivery. So you can see your delivery ID number, this has been packaged successfully. So that is why you can see it completed this way. So all I need to do now is to go to my shipments and then to review and then pay. So currently it's packaged. This is the same shipment number, and then I can click here to view the details of this shipment. So I can see the shipment information here, the destination. I can see the warehouse information here. I can see the invoice status, senders and receivers information I filled earlier, the warehouse information, the box detail, how it was packaged. You can see I have one item and the value of the item is $600. And I can also click here to edit, more like to change the value of the items, right? So the same thing we can do on delivery. We can also click here to do that. There's no additional cost currently. So here, if I click here, I can click here to change any of the information, like to review. If I want to change the sender's information or the receiver's information, I can change that from here. Let me go back again. I'll show you more things you can do. You can also decide to change the value of the items. So you click here, it brings you to the shipment review, and then this is the only item here. You can also decide to change the value to 7 and then click next to sales. Let me also go back and see if there's more thing we can do there. You can also click tracking. If you click tracking here, it takes you to our tracking page. Currently we've not paid for it, so but the moment we pay for it and it's being shipped out, if you come here you can track it and then see if there's a record. Currently there's no record for it now, so let me go back here. So adjust value is the one I just demonstrated. When you click here, you can also see the invoice if you want to, the invoice you're going to pay for. The invoice shows breakdown of every single thing you're going to pay for. All right, you can also print this way, right? So let me cancel that and go back to shipments. Okay, so the next thing I need to do now is to pay, right? So I'm going to use a test payments. So we also have a coupon code you can apply. Here you can choose to exclude or to include insurance. I recommend you always include insurance. Let me see if I can remember any coupon code. My 20, I'm not sure if this is correct, but let me check. Oh, okay, I've actually exhausted this. Let me see. April 01. It's not yet active. So if you have any coupon code, you already know how coupon code works. If you have any valid coupon code given to you or anyone will publish, you can always apply it here and then it works. So I'm going to pay for this now, and I'm going to use a test payment to do this. So the payment is very simple. I can choose to pay. You can see I can choose to pay in Naira or I pay in dollar this way. Right now I'm choosing Air Standard, right? Air Standard. So I choose to pay this way. As simple as that, and I've paid. So the system loads and you can see my shipment. That is the email. The email just came to my phone now. I can view the page now. You can see it's currently paid, right? And if you check my email, let me see if I can refresh the email. Shipment updated. So basically, a lot of things that happens is always going to be updated you through the mail. So that is it. So right now, once we ship it out, you can always go to tracking and follow up to see what is going on. You can also check your notification to see what is going on. These are the things, just like you are getting the emails, you can check them here. Your shipments have successfully been updated, your delivery, blah blah blah, your KYC has been approved, and this that. So that is fine. You go to your settings. What can you do on settings? You can change your password on your settings this way. You can check for updates. Check for update takes you to notification, right? KYC, we've already done that. You can also upload your profile pictures, right? So you can upload your profile picture or change any other thing here. Let me see if I can upload something there this way. Click save, and that goes in. So you can do all of that. You can go to your dashboard and see what is going on. Currently I have one shipment, one delivery, and this. So you can see I now have a new shipment now on my dashboard. So basically this is how to use the system, and then everything works pretty straightforward. If you want to log out, you can log out this way here, and you can always log in this way. I think that's not my correct password. This way, you can always log in this way. And then if you've forgotten your password by any means, you can always use forgot password here and then reset your password. So that's the way it works.